Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Paylocity app won't let me log in. So if your Paylocity app is not letting you log in, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you're connected to a secure Wi-Fi. Scroll down from the top of your screen. You'll be able to see several options over here. What you have to do is long press on the Wi-Fi option. Now make sure you're connected to a secured Wi-Fi. The next thing that you can do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar. Now search for Paylocity. Tap on the search icon. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the Paylocity app. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here you can see option for uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, you can see option for update instead of open option right over here. All you have to do is tap on it and your app will be updated. And after updating your app, your problem will be solved. If it is still not being solved, what you have to do is tap on the option uninstall and uninstall this app. Now you can see over here this kind of box will pop up. You can see two options, cancel and uninstall. All you have to do is tap on the uninstall option. Now you can see over here Paylocity is uninstalled. Now you have to reinstall the app again. Tap on the install option. Now wait for it to be installed. So after reinstalling this app, your problem must be fixed. So that is how you fix Paylocity app won't let me login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.